Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Good morning. As you can see, I'm wearing my father-in-law's camo coat. It is cold. My coat was not going to cut it today. I don't care what anybody says, that plasticky material that they put on women's coats to make thin, whatever thin goes. It's freezing. Like, it doesn't warm up. It doesn't, like, the outside stays freaking cold and you freeze. So it's going to be a cold day today. I'm going to wear my father-in-law's coat. It's not attractive, but it's warm. And I got to go to Menards and get a stain for the nightstand. I do not have one. Jeff does not have one. He says, I have golden oak. Oh, I'm going to throw things at you. Throw things? This coffee will be cold by the time I get on Menards. Although we are going up to a whopping 3 degrees today, and it's going to feel like 3 degrees, they say. So that's above zero. I'm only getting seen. Yeah, well, that didn't happen. Paint, 2 different stains. Only one I want to use in this project, but the other one I went, ooh, that's pretty. I'm sure I'll need it in the future. I can't possibly come back in the future and buy it. I need it now. There's a sickness when you go to Menards. It's like a sickness. It's like Target. Like, I can't wait to get it. I have to get it now. Because that way, the next time I have a project and I want to use it, I won't have to run to the store. It's not like I'm down here all the time. I'm not proud of myself right now. I'm in the she shop. Here's what I got. Okay, so this was the 50-cent one. It's just a navy blue. I like it. It reminded me of that blue that I did on the piece that I have in the basement. It's called Blueberry Pie. This is nice. It's a nice blue. And the quart that I got was my blue. Kinda. It's like a pastel blue, which I like, and it's a semi-gloss, so I bought it. Let's add that. Okay, and then this is the stain I'm not going to use, but it's called Antique or Vintage Blue. And I thought, once again, it's a really good blue, and I couldn't think of a project that I need to use it on right now, but I feel like this is a good blue if I want to do a project, right? Like, there's a footstool over there. I'm looking at it going, that might be a good one on the footstool. And then here's the one we're going to use on the drawer. It is Pickled Oak. So they had a bunch of samples of how it looks. They usually have samples of how it would look on different woods. And they had pine. And this one gave the pine a nice neutral, not bright yellow look. Because that pine is really yellow. Like, it's very yellow. So this really toned that down on the pine. Let me set that down. On the pine sample that they had there. So I just really wanted a natural look. And this hopefully will give it that natural look. So Pickled Oak. So it's less yellow, but more just the natural. Did I say natural? Natural. Is that an end on the end of that? Well, things took a turn really fast, didn't they? Anyway. That's where we're going. Oh, and how does Stacy's brain work? Let's go in and see. Let me share with you the inner workings of my brain. I feel really silly today. can't. Let's put the stain on there and see how pretty it looks when it's done. So I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm trying to pull it together, y'all. Stop it. I'm pretty sure this is going to give me the look I want. The only concern is, so see these? So the handle that was on it did not have attachments right there. So whatever handle was on before somebody stuck the handle on that we had, this one, had these little attachment pieces. So the handle that I picked out for it, I hope will cover that, because the stain isn't going to do anything to this wood filler. It's not going to blend. It's my only concern right there. And if it doesn't blend, I'm thinking, you know, a stripe. If the handle doesn't cover it, like a flour sack stripe down the center to cover it would be great. That's what we're going with. That's what I'm thinking in my brain. And then the other voice in my head is going, it's not going to work. You know, you're going to have to put that stripe on it. That's what I'm saying. Maybe we should use the new paint. That's a good blue. No, we're using the other paint, Stacy. Okay, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. I did another video on staining wood, so I can link that in the cards and in the description. I'm not going to show you guys while I do this because it's not interesting. So I'm gonna get this done. I'm probably gonna wear some gloves so I don't stain my fingernails again, and go from there. I'm a little high from the stain fumes, but still gotta paint. So I've got my brush to get in. I'm gonna get into the edges here, and then I'm gonna crack the roller out because I'm gonna mess with this. We're just gonna get it done today, but I'm gonna get into the edges first, get all up in there, and that's it. That's the plan for today. That teal against the purple is a little frightening. Now we know this dries to like a navy blue kind of color, the Mediterranean. This is what I used on the buffet, but right now it looks super teal against that purple, and it's like, ah! Oh, it looks super teal. And I have to keep reminding myself, it's not teal. It's not teal. The Mediterranean dries darker. Now you can see how yellow that wood is too, and you see the green up against it. It's not green, Stacy. It's not green. Of course it's making me regret all my life choices. Like, I went out, I was letting it dry, and I came back in, and there was one spot inside there that it looked like I hadn't touched it at all. There's no way I didn't run a roller over it. It's like the purple is reflecting back the turquoise. So you get these giant spots where you just missed it. I can't even imagine. Either that or it's soaking it in. I don't know. Looks pretty good right now. Definitely needs another coat. It's going to need a third coat of paint. I'm almost out of this paint. So this better be kind of getting to the last of it. Otherwise, it's just going to be what it is. And I hate the jar. I don't love it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I put a really thick coat of blue on now. Hopefully it stays blue. Please be blue when you dry. Even better, I'm just seeing purple where there's no purple, but this in here was purple. Like purple. Ugh. I don't know what I'm going to do about the jar. The OG was like, whitewash it or more white. And I'm like, no white. I don't know. So here it is. You see why I don't like it? It's just, I just don't like it. I don't like it. get it all. I'll go see if I can find something else. So I'm mixing stains. I made a pickled mahogany. Got a little more color to it. I don't know. No, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I don't like the bright white. I think we're going to have to put a glaze over it. This is the hardware piece that I chose to change out with. It's cute. I picked it up at Vintage Junkie for 50 cents. They only had one, and I think it'd be cute. But I think if I glaze this, I'm going to like it better. So I might distress and glaze and then hit it with that. Guys, what if we took this little birdie and stuck it up here, and these two little birdies and stuck them over here? Huh? Yeah. These little guys coming off like that. And then we glazed it? Huh? Yeah? Okay. So that just happened. I think we're going to continue our garden theme with this little guy. I'll clear the whole thing. As I use the Martha Stewart gloss, I want to make sure that it's a consistent coverage when I put the aging glaze on there. It's dry. Now we're going to give it a couple little, distress marks here. Let's see some creative distressing here. Put that handle on there and see where it's gonna fall. I definitely want a distressor on the handle. Whoops. Okay. Where that cat hair is right there, we're gonna distress that out of there. Let's glaze it. Going out in a glaze of glory. Yeah, I probably need more sleep. I don't know. I know, I've been in a glazing mood, haven't I? I mean, normally I'm not a glazing girl. It just makes it look dirty, and now I'm out for it. Let's make it dirty. Nightstand level 100! Woo! You guys leveled up for me. If they don't like this one, they have no taste. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.